Unlock your creative potential and transform your footage into captivating stories with this essential CapCut editing guide. First, let's dive into trimming. Tap on your video clip in the timeline to select it. You'll see white handles appear at the beginning and end of the clip. Simply drag these handles inwards to shorten the clip. Removing unwanted sections, this is perfect for getting straight to the action or cleaning up your footage. Next up, adding text. Look for the text option in the toolbar. It usually has a T icon. Tap it, and then select Add Text. A text box will appear on your screen. Tap on it to type your desired message. You can change the font, color, size, and even add animations using the options that appear below. Now, let's make your edits flow seamlessly. With transitions, select the clip you want to add a transition before or after. You'll see a small white rectangle or a diamond shape between clips. Tap on this to open the transition library. Scroll through the various options like fade, zoom, or wipe, and choose the one that best suits the mood of your video. You can even adjust the duration of the transition. Experiment with different text styles and transitions to make your content truly stand out. These fundamental tools in CapCut are your gateway to creating professional-looking videos with ease.